In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and export GIF in Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Keep it handy. It's a useful reference for modern motion styles and can help you think about how your icon should move. With that ready, switch over to Figma and open your design file. Make sure you're working on the page that contains the icon or artwork you want to animate. Now, get your icon ready for animation. Group related layers so the icon is easy to select as a single unit, and consider placing it inside a frame so you have a defined canvas. Name the layer clearly, center it on the frame, and check that the frame size matches how you want the GIF to appear. If you want a transparent background in your final GIF, ensure the frame's background is set to transparent. Next, open Figma's Quick Actions bar and launch the plugin. Click Actions, then Plugins, and search for Motion Animation for Figma. Type the name, find the plugin in the results, and click it to run. If you see a prompt the first time you use it, just follow the on-screen instructions. With the plugin open, you can start crafting the movement. Select your icon, then use the controls to move and spin it. Try simple, clear motions first, like a gentle rotation or a slide from left to right. Think about where the animation begins and ends, and keep timing smooth so the motion feels intentional. When you're happy with the idea, click. Record in the plugin. Perform the movement you want. Drag, rotate, or scale your icon while the plugin captures the motion path. Keep it concise. Short loops often look best in GIF format. When you finish recording, click Preview. Watch the animation loop a few times to check for smoothness, timing, and any awkward jumps at the start or end. If something feels off, you can stop the preview, tweak the movement, and record again until it looks right. Finally, click Export and select GIF. Choose a size that balances clarity and file weight, and enable looping if you want the animation to repeat continuously. If your design needs a transparent background, make sure that option is enabled before you export. Save the GIF to your computer, and you're done. You've just created and exported a polished GIF in Figma using motion animation for Figma. Keep your icon organized, your motion simple, and your timing smooth, and your GIFs will look great across websites, apps, and presentations.